Hey folks, Jimmy here, aka Palette of the Dead. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new Warhammer news video. Now, as per usual with all these videos, if you like them, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and of course drop a comment down below. I love hearing back from you guys, and without further ado, let's crack on with it. So, if you haven't already seen the news, there is a new update to Warhammer Age of Sigmar, including some new models that you're going to be able to get that are going to be coming. Don't know when exactly, but this short video will kind of detail what's happening.
When my people faced extinction, I was not there to stop it. Our civilization brought to ruin by the end of empires. Even now, destruction swallows the memory of my children. I will shy from war no longer. Your kind will not defile them again. Roused from your exile at last, brother. You look old. Kragnos has returned. The time for mourning is over. As Sigmar's kin were reborn, so shall the Draconith rise again.
So, as you can see there are dragons returning to the mortal realms. These are pretty cool. I really like these dragons. These dragons are ace. Now, there is Krondis, son of Dracothian, which looks amazing. An integral member of Sigmar's inner circle, Krondis is a majestic, wise and immensely powerful being. Already among the most magically potent beings in the mortal realms, Krondis also bears regalia fulmentaris around his neck, a piece of armour that magnifies his substantial magical abilities, an armoured dragon which looks super cool. It looks fantastic, it looks really good, a fantastic unit. I'm really impressed by this kit. It looks absolutely fantastic. Now, this kit is going to make a second unit, and the second unit also looks pretty damn cool. Now, the other one is slightly more scarred, and that is Karazai the Scarred. So, he is an awesome new dragon as well. This awesome orange and brown, fiery looking bugger with fantastic scars that look like lightning webbed all the way down its kind of flank and the side of his neck. Looks fantastic. An awesome bit of kit. This is one that is going to have some fantastic far-reaching effects for the Stormcast Eternals. It's going to add to them and bolster them out much more with some new magical beasts, which is about time. They need a few extra bits and pieces, especially some really big stuff as well, and these guys really fit into that mould. So with Karazai, he has been scouring Gur, seeking vengeance for his scrambled kin and wreaking havoc on the forces of destruction, but of course he spent a bit too long in the realm of beasts and has become a bit more consumed with wrath and revenge. But he's a fantastic looking creature as well, isn't he? He just looks amazing. For both of them are really cool units. I'm super impressed with them. I must admit, definitely going to have to get them. These will be fantastic kits to do. I will look forward to painting them and sharing what I do with them with you guys. Let me know what you guys think about them in that comment section down below. I'd love to hear it back from you. But for now, yeah, that's a pretty quick one. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, I'll catch you next time. Bye bye now.